The Moroccan hair tea is unique and exclusive to Hennasooq. It's infused with 7 native Moroccan herbs that you cannot find anywhere else. They are amazing for hair growth, for strengthening. They add a lot of balancing and slip, and it just smells amazing. And because we love infusing hair teas with oils to get that really amazing hair growth oil and just a potent, rich, nourishing oil that has so much moisture, today with Alyjah, we're going to be mixing this up together. The story behind the Moroccan hair tea was that when I was in Morocco, I was visiting the henna farms and we were talking about herbs and like native plants, and they had a blend there of herbs and I was smelling it and I was like, what is this? And then I was like, okay, the light bulb went off and I was like, oh, this is a perfect herbal blend for a hair tea, because you can do so many things with a hair tea, and those Moroccan herbs fresh. And Morocco is one of the countries with, honestly, it's not exposed to a lot of the pollutants that you might find in other countries. It is very well regulated and managed, so I love everything that comes out of Morocco because of that. And with Alyjah's beautiful curly hair type, we are going to see how she used it and how she infused it. And if you have a similar hair type, you're going to love this because you can see how those results will be at the very end. So let's get into this, start watching. So what's up next? Are you going to be doing this oil infusion yourself? If you do, you definitely got to tag us and you got to let us know. And if you want to see more on how you can use the hair teas to infuse in oils as a spritz, as just a moisturizing treatment in general, with a lot of other ways that you can actually use it, you definitely got to watch these videos right here. Click them so you can find out more and get more steps and more ideas, because this hair tea can go a really long way. So thank you for tuning in. And don't forget, you gotta subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any of my new videos that I have coming out for you. Because we are getting so much closer to the new website launch and also the new location. We're working hard on getting those doors open for you. And just stay tuned for that. You don't wanna miss that. So thank you, I'll see you next time.